Hi guys, it's Mrs. Capello and I'm back for another story time with you. I'm so excited to get to read to you today, and we're going to sing some songs and have a lot of fun together. So I hope you're having a really special day, and I'm excited to get started. We have a couple stories to read. I think we're going to read 3 stories today, and then we'll be doing some singing. So I hope you're as excited as I am to get started. Our first story is called The Pigeon Finds a Hot Dog. Have you seen this pigeon before? He's pretty funny, and in this one we have the pigeon and we have the duckling, who's another really funny character. So let's see what this pigeon is up to today. The pigeon finds a hot dog. The pigeon finds a hot dog. Words and pictures by Mo Willems. Ooh, a hot dog! Yummy, yummy, yummy! He's pretty excited. May I help you? Scooty, scoot, scoot. Here comes the duckling. Is that a hot dog? Not a hot dog, my hot dog. Doesn't seem like he wants to share with the duckling. I have a question. I've never had a hot dog before. What do they taste like? Well, they are a taste sensation. Each morsel is a joy, a celebration in a bun. Duckling's taking notes. If you've never experienced the splendor of a hot dog, you should really... Wait a second. This hot dog is mine. I found it. Oh, of course. Enjoy. Go ahead. Would you say that it tastes like chicken? Can you believe this guy? What? It just tastes like a hot dog, okay? Okay. Wow, that pigeon is freaking out. So it doesn't taste like chicken then? Oh, for Pete's sake. Hey, I'm a curious bird. You guys know what curious means? It means like when you have a lot of questions about stuff. That's it! Uh-oh, what happened to the duckling? It's my hot dog, right? Mine. This is unbelievable. Finders keepers is what I say. I'm a curious bird. What do they taste like? Blah, blah, blah. Yeah, right. I can't take it anymore. What am I supposed to do? I think I've got an idea. You know, you're pretty smart for a duckling. Needs mustard. Do you see what the duck's solution was? They decided to share the hot dog. So they split it in half so they could each have some. That's a really good way to share with your friends. The end. I love that pigeon story. He's one of my favorite characters ever. So the next book is called The MixedUp Chameleon by Eric Carle. And this is a really funny story too about a crazy chameleon who's really confused. Let's see what he's so confused about. The MixedUp Chameleon. The MixedUp Chameleon by Eric Carle. And if you know the book Brown Bear, What Do You See? Eric Carle wrote that book too. On a shiny green leaf sat a small green chameleon. It moved onto a brown tree and it turned brownish. Then it rested on a red flower and turned reddish. When the chameleon moved slowly across the yellow sand, it turned yellowish. You could hardly see it. Chameleons have something called camouflage, which means that they blend into whatever their surroundings are. Do you know any other animals that have camouflage? When the chameleon was warm and had something to eat, it turned sparkling green. But when it was cold and hungry, it turned gray and dull. When the chameleon was hungry, it sat still and waited. Only its eyes moved, up, down, sideways, until it spotted a fly. Can you move your eyes up, down, and sideways? Ready? Let's go up, down, sideways, up, down, sideways. Good job. Then the chameleon's long and sticky tongue shot out and caught the fly. That was its life. It was not very exciting. But one day, the chameleon saw a zoo. It had never seen so many beautiful animals. What animals do you guys see on this page? I see an elephant and a fox and a turtle. The chameleon thought, how small I am, how slow, how weak. I wish I could be big and white like a polar bear. And the chameleon's wish came true. But was it happy? No. I wish I could be handsome like a flamingo. Look, now it has flamingo wings and flamingo feet. I wish I could be smart like a fox. You see, now it has a fox's tail. I wish I could swim like a fish. Now it has fish fins. I wish I could run like a deer. Now it has antlers. Wow, this chameleon's getting crazy. I wish I could see things far away like a giraffe. Now it has a long giraffe neck. I wish I could hide in a shell like a turtle. There's a turtle shell. I wish I could be strong like an elephant. Big trunk. I wish I could be funny like a seal. Now it has flippers. I wish I could be like people. Now it has a person's hat and an umbrella. Just then a fly flew by. The chameleon was very hungry. But the chameleon was very mixed up. It was a little of this and it was a little of that, and it couldn't catch the fly. Why couldn't it catch the fly? You're right, because it doesn't have a long tongue anymore. It has an elephant's trunk, and elephant trunks are not made for catching flies. I wish I could be myself. Then the chameleon's wish came true, and it caught the fly. I love that beautiful rainbow up above. The end. So what I love about this story, still trying to get used to the camera, is that he kept wanting to be something else, something else, something else, but really the best thing he could be was himself. So sometimes we want to try to be like someone else, but really it's better if we just can be ourselves. So I love that story. And I think we have time for one more quick story. So let me grab it. Our pigeon friend is back. I just love the pigeons so much I wanted to read you another pigeon story. I hope that's okay with you. So this one is called The Pigeon Needs a Bath. And he says, I do not. I think he does. He looks pretty dirty, doesn't he? Let's try to get him in the bath. The pigeon needs a bath. Hi, I don't know if you've noticed, but the pigeon is filthy. So I could use your help here because the pigeon needs a bath. That is a matter of opinion. What a kidder. I don't really need a bath. That's what he thinks. I took one last month. I think it was last month. Clean, dirty, they're just words, right? Wrong. I feel clean. Maybe you need a bath. You guys need to take a bath? Yeah, when was the last time you had a bath? Oh, that was pretty recently. Life is so short. Why waste it on unimportant things, like taking a bath? Sounds like he'd rather be doing other things. What smell? I don't smell anything. And if I do, it's a very normal smell for a pigeon. You know, in some places it is impolite to bathe. Bzz, bzz, bzz. All of these flies buzzing around me are purely coincidental. Hey, you! Yuck! Let's get out of here! Take a bath, dude! He was even too smelly for the flies. Even they had to fly away. Okay, fine. If it means so much to you, I'll take a bath. Finally. Whoa. I'm not going to like this one bit. Does this guy look familiar? I think it's supposed to be a rubber ducky, but he does look like the duckling, doesn't he? The water is too hot, too cold, too deep, not deep enough, too lukewarm, too hot, too cold, now it's too hot again, too wet, too cold, too reflective, not enough toys, too many toys, that is still too hot. Well, I guess this is okay. That is one picky pigeon. Splash! Hey, this is fun! Wash, wash, wash! I love bubbles! Look at my wrinkly toes! La 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 la! Singing in the tub! This is the life! Hello? Hello? How are you? I'm fine. I'm a fish! I'm a fish! Now it looks like he's having fun. 10 hours later. 10 hours? That's a long time. Can I stay in the tub forever? The end. That silly pigeon, he thought he was going to hate the tub, but then he really loved it. Do you guys ever try something that you think you're not going to like, but then you like it? I do that sometimes. So those are our stories for today. And in the next video, we're going to sing some songs together. So get your singing voice ready. See you soon. Bye.